Welcome all to the online class of Jamapur Government Girls High School. This is Lukun Nessa, Assistant Teacher in English, Jamapur Government Girls High School. Dear students, all of you know that owing to COVID-19 severe outbreak, all the educational institutions of Bangladesh are closed down. To consider this, our school authority has started online classes for you. So, my online class will be succeeded if you enjoy this class or if you are benefited by this class. So, I think for the betterment of your study, all of you should attend this class regularly. Dear students, today I am going to take a class on English first paper for the students of class 7. So, all the students of class 7, please take your English first paper textbook and open at page 86, Unit 8, Lesson 2. And our today's topic is Kobita's Village. Our today's topic, Kobita's Village. Dear students, we will read this passage about Kobita's Village. Before that, we have to learn first some important words or keywords of this passage with the meaning or synonym. So, dear students, now I am giving some keywords of this passage with their synonyms on the board, and all of you please write down these words in your notebook. Now I am giving some important words of this passage on the board. Word synonym. Our first word is vocation. Vocational means of profession or occupation. Our next word is theatre. And theatre means a playhouse or a drama. Then stage means show or present. Then perform. Perform means carry out. Okay? Then borrow. Borrow means obtain on loan. Our next word is frequent. Frequent. Frequent means repeated or recurring. Or recurring. Frequent means repeated or recurring. Then load shedding. Load shedding means temporary suspension of supply of temporary supply of temporary suspension of supply of electricity. Load shedding means temporary suspension of supply of electricity. Our next word is band. Band means the marking of a river. Okay, dear students, here vocational means of profession or occupation. Theatre means a playhouse or a drama. Stage means show or present. Perform means carry out. Borrow means obtain or loan. Frequent means repeated or recurring. Load shedding, temporary suspension of supply of electricity. Supply of electricity, temporary suspension of supply of electricity, that means load shedding. Band means the margin of a river. Okay, dear students, let us read the passage about Kavita's village in our text. The name of Kavita's village is Sundarpur. The name of Kavita's village is Sundarpur. It is a small village on the bank of the river Kalni. It is a small village on the bank of the river Kalni. The beautiful river flows through the village. There are one high school, 3 primary schools and 1 vocational training center in this village. In Kavita's village, there are 1 high school, 3 primary schools and 1 vocational training center, right? Kavita and her friends learn computer at this center. Kavita and her friends learn computer in this vocational center. There is a theatre club and a small library too. In Kavita's village, there is a theatre club and a small library also situated. Kavita can borrow books from the library. She borrows books on history, poetry and children's classics. Kavita borrows books on history, poetry and children's classics. The theatre last month, Kavita enjoyed the Mohua drama dance performed by the theatre club. Last month, Kavita enjoyed Mohua drama dance performed by the theatre club. Right? The village has a bazaar on the riverside. On the riverside, the village in summer. Although there is electricity in Kavita's village, the villagers experience frequent load shedding in summer season, right? Okay, dear students, I hope all of you have understood this passage clearly. Now, I am giving some questions on this passage in the board, and all of you write the answers of these questions in your notebook. Now, I am giving some questions on this passage on the board. Okay? Question. Question now is last month what and why did Kobita answer? Last month what and why did Kobita? What did Kobita enter? Or question on B is why does Kobita never go to Bazar? Why does Kobita never go to Bazar? Question number C is what is the condition of the village roads? What is the condition? What is the condition of the village roads? And our last question is when have the village people to experience frequent load shedding? Frequent load shedding. Okay, dear students, I hope all of you have completed your writing. Now I am giving the answers of these questions on the board, and all of you please match your answers with mine. Our first question is last month Kobita go to Bazar because this is a very noisy and dirty place. Okay? Our question now C is what is the condition of the village roads? In our text, we have learned that the condition of the village roads are also narrow and dirty. So the answer to the question now C is the condition of the village roads. The village roads is draggy. The condition is also narrow and draggy. Okay. Our last question D is, when have the village people to experience frequent load shedding? In our text, we have learned that the village people have to experience frequent load shedding in summer. Okay? So, the answer is the village people, have to experience frequent load shedding in summer season. In summer. Okay? Okay, dear students, all of you have written correct answer. So, thanks again for writing correct answer. Dear students, now I am giving some more questions on this passage as your homework on the board. And all of you write down these questions in your notebook. And I hope all of you will complete your homework properly. Right? Now I am giving your homework on the board. What type of brand Kobita borrow from the library? Question number B is, what does Kobita learn and where? What does Kobita learn and where? What does Kobita learn and where? Or question number C is, name the establishments available in Kobita's village. Name the establishments available in Kobita's village. Okay, our question now D is, the village people experience frequent frequent load shedding in summer. In summer, why? Comitas village. Comitas village. Write your own words. Dear students, this is your homework and I hope all of you will complete your homework sincerely. So, dear students, thanks a lot for attending this online class, my online class. Meet you again in our next online class. Till then, stay safe and sound. No more today. Allah Hafiz.